Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be doing question 36 from 1.5 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So I asked to find the exact value of each. So we're going to use the rules of logarithms, inverses, and anything that we can find. With the first one, I can think of two ways to do it, if not three. So the first one would be to convert this into the log of 5 to the power minus 3, the base of 5. And now we basically have a few options to work with. The one option would be to take the power. Due to the rules of logarithms, you're allowed to take the power, multiply. Now, another rule of logarithms says if this and that are the same, then you basically just have 1. So your answer is minus 3. So that's one way that we could have done that one. Another way would have been to split this. Remember, when you have the log of a over b, you can have log a minus log b. You're allowed to do that. So you could have found the log of 1 base 5 as well as the log of 125 base 5. So this here is just 0. And here at this point, you're going to have 5 to the power 3. And you can once again multiply the power. And this here is still 1. Your answer is minus 3. So those are just two ways that I can think of. And you can choose whichever one you want. And for the second one, a simple solution to this would be to write it as the ln of e to the minus 2. So these are inverses of each other. So that allows you to take out the power. So you're just going to take the power down. So remember, when you have your e to the power ln of something, whatever that is will be taken down. When you have ln of e to the power anything, then whatever power that is, it's basically going to be taken down. That's what we applied here to find this answer. And with ln as well, you can also have ln 1 minus ln of e squared. This is just a 0. And once again, you're going to drop that power. So you're going to have minus 2. So your answer is minus 2. Even with this other method,